In this video, we will learn how to make a complete booking on the Amadeus system step by step using the website gdshub.pro, which works as a GDS simulator and provides free training lessons. Before starting the practical steps, we need to understand what a PNR is, its importance, and the difference between a PNR and a ticket. A PNR, or passenger name record, is the travel file inside the system. It can be considered as a customer file that contains all details such as passenger names, itinerary, travel dates, and pricing status. Each PNR has a unique reference number that allows you to retrieve it at any time. A ticket, on the other hand, is the actual travel document that confirms the passenger has paid for the trip. In simple terms, the PNR represents the booking, while the ticket represents the payment proof. It is possible to have a confirmed booking without issuing a ticket, but in this case, the passenger cannot travel. Now, let's move to the practical part on the Amadeus system. We start by searching for available flights using the AN command. To specify the search criteria, we enter the travel date, then the departure airport code, then the arrival airport code. If we want to filter by a specific airline, we add a followed by the airline code. For example, AN26MAYCAIAMS. The system will display a list of available flights. To select a flight, we use the SS command. We specify the number of seats, the class, and the line number. For example, SS1T3. After adding the flight, we enter the passenger name. We start with an adult passenger using the NM1 command. The format is NM1 followed by the last name, then a slash, then the first name. Child and infant entries will be explained in another video. Next, we add the passenger contact details using the AP command. We use APM followed by the mobile number, or we use AP followed by the agency email. Then, we set the time limit for the booking using the TK command. So the system can define the deadline. TKOK. To identify who created the booking, we use the RF command, followed by a name or initials. After completing the required details, we save the booking using This creates the basic structure of the PNR. To exit the booking, we use IG. To retrieve it again, we use RT followed by the booking reference. It is very important to add passenger contact details, like phone number and email. This ensures proper communication in case of any updates. We use SR commands to add these details. To add a phone number, SRCTCM followed by the number. To add an email, SRCTCE followed by the email. Now we move to pricing, which is one of the most important steps. We will explain two main pricing commands. The first is FXR. It displays the lowest available fare across different booking classes. The system may show that the lowest fare is in class 10. To change the current class, we use the SB command, with the line number and the new class. For example, SB2X. After changing the class, we use FXP to price the current booking. In short, FXR shows the lowest fare, while FXP prices the selected class. After pricing, we save the booking again using Then we use TQT to display the fare details. To complete the booking, we must add passport details. We can check the correct SR format using the help command SR. Then we modify the command to include airline, document type P for passport, nationality, passport number, place of issue, date of birth, gender, expiry date, and passenger name. Now all essential passenger data has been added. We can also add a special meal request. To find meal codes, we can use the help section. For example, to add a fish meal, SRFSML. After saving, we define the form of payment. If the payment is cash, FP cash. If there is a commission, we add it using FM. For example, FM5. Before ticketing, we specify the validating airline using FV. This prevents issuing the ticket on the wrong airline. For example, FVMS. To issue the ticket, TTP-RT. The ticket number will appear after issuance. To display the ticket, TWD. If there is only one ticket, we use the command directly. Or, TWD-L1. To send the ticket by email, IEPEML followed by the client email. Or we can download the PDF. and send it via WhatsApp, or print it. To generate the PDF, IEPL followed by the ticket line number. A page will open, where we can click download. In the real Amadeus system, the PDF format may look slightly different. One important feature is the ability to void a ticket before midnight without any penalty. We use the TRDC command. TRDC/line number of the ticket, or the ticket number after removing the first 3 digits. After executing the command, the ticket status becomes cancelled, and the status of the ticket becomes V, which mean voided. If we want to cancel the entire PNR, we write XI, then confirm by entering RF followed by the first letter of the creator's name. Finally, we save the action using If the time limit is exceeded, the process becomes a refund with applicable penalties. Refund details will be explained in another video. And with this, we have completed the full process of creating a booking in Amadeus. From flight search, to ticket issuance, and cancellation,